What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all gotta excuse the noise in the background, man. There comes some trees, storm about to go down and everything. So you know, I'm scrambling, trying to get this video done for y'all. I got all the cars out the way, moved and everything. So y'all already know, y'all can tell by the thumbnail, man. We got to do a ride racing with Wifey, man. She got to be the first one in the truck. Ride racing, man. This her first ride too. So y'all getting both. Like, she ain't even cruise in the truck. Like, this her first ride. First ride, man. I'm gonna try to get this thing manual shift. Boom, boom, boom. All of that. I gotta tell y'all about a little problem I ran into in the truck too yesterday, man. That jump crazy. It's some funny jump, man. I gotta tell y'all about that though. But I ain't gonna hold the intro up long, cause I wanna at least get the ride reaction shot, and then we can get the afterthought. Even at the bottom of the fella, I can get the afterthought for y'all. So I'm gonna go in the house, go get Wifey. We're gonna load up in the truck, and then we're gonna make it happen. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. Got Wifey in the car. Yes. Nervous.
No.
To what?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah.
We be as careful as we can. Huh? What you saw?
No, I'm just saying.
Tell her don't say nothing about no police.
Saying you gotta always be careful. I ain't never need me to get it.
You don't know. Someone need her to get it. She definitely don't know what she doing, y'all. She been in here broke the ship.
No.
I got it that way.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright, y'all. Got a truck behind us, so. One second. It's shifting, y'all. we back. We back, man. Look, got stuff everywhere. We just got back. We made it in time, man. That cloud, boy, hey. Now, I hope it blow over, but look at that, man. We got partial fleet all down there. We got the dime, the box heavy, the cutlass, Meats right here. Meats look like he ready to just murk something right quick. So we got Meats then, man. We gotta check on Mr. Jones. I'm ready to have Mr. Jones back, cause I ain't drove it. I like to balance. I like to balance all my kids out, man. I have to balance all of them, balance relationship and all this stuff. You know, you gotta treat them all fairly, man. You can't drive one more than the other. But man, wifey enjoyed herself as usual. She said the truck is pretty quick. She said it's straight. So you know what that means. It's alright. But we'll see in a little bit. We're gonna go to the track, dyno, all that. We got a lot of rain coming in that week, so I've been working, man. I've been busting my ass knocking these videos out for y'all. I've been shooting multiple videos in a day. Call I'm making the most of all the day, man. But quick little ride reaction, quick day. Meats, man. We gonna get you right, man. We got you something coming, brother. We got something coming for old Meats. Meat still, like I said, this thing still sitting in here. I ain't even finna attempt to pick it up. Man, I know that hood didn't close. Nah. Yes, it did. I ain't even finna attempt to pick that hood up, but it's still in there. It's still in there, man. We gotta get Meat's other two eyes. I just thought about that, man. We got to get my boy the other two lenses, man. And we gotta get the grill. If somebody got this, man, let me know. Y'all remember, man, I told y'all the other day, I need the grill, man. Somebody give me a grill, man. I need it for Meats. So I hope my boy get this stuff. It ain't completely done, but man, close to it, cause I ain't trying to be scrambling out here in the rain, which is what it look like I'm gonna be doing, man. Out here in the rain, moving stuff down. There's a little walk down the driveway. It ain't too deep, slight little walk, but still it's a walk down the driveway. You know, the stuff parked and all that. I gotta push Meats back and all of that. So you know, when you're out here in the rain, man, you're dealing with these car covers and all of that, boy, you scrambling. That's why I like to have all my cars running. Cause this the only one that don't run, man. So we're gonna let them get wrapped up. Then we're gonna holler back at y'all in a minute, man. Looking like a car lot out here. Look like somebody over here. But yeah, man, we're gonna get this wrapped up, and then I'm holler at y'all in a minute. Cause I gotta tell y'all about the truck and all that too. What I thought had happened to the truck. So it was something simple, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we checking in, we checking back in, man. So look, let me tell y'all, man, look, let me grab this right here. Yesterday, right? Okay, I get in the truck, cause the shifter installed, right? So I wanna make sure I can go to low. So I get up in the morning, I ain't recording none of this. I get up in the morning, I go out, I get in the truck, crank it up. I go up the street, go through the gears. I'm like, okay, I got it in first. It go through the gears, second, third. I'm like, all right. Made a little small hit. Turn around, come back. I pull back up in my parking spot. I looked at my temperature. I said, wait a minute. The temperature reading 210, which that means it's still operating temperature. I mean, it ain't running hot. But the truck, in the short time I've driven it, I know the truck don't run 210. So I'm like, wait a minute, man, temperature up. I pulled the hood, hit the key, no fans. I ain't got no fan, man, electric fan wasn't working. So I'm like, oh man. Now earlier that morning, I checked the transmission fluid because I got a transmission fluid leak. I pulled the stick out and it hit the, my mind blank, man. It's like a terminal. My mind blank, man, I can't, got my mind blank. It's a terminal, it's like a terminal though, where you connect the wires, junction box. It's a junction box right there. It's a little small junction box. And the fan run to it, and when I pull the stick out, I ain't pay attention, it sparked. So I'm thinking maybe I done burnt something up. So I looked the way they got the fans hooked up. I'm glad they did like that. It got a fuse, got an inline fuse. So I said the fuse got to be, when stuff like that happens, it's supposed to blow the fuse, right? I pulled the fuse out. The fuse some good. So I'm like, man, I changed it anyway, man. I put a new one in there. I said, I'm gonna change it. Still no fans. So then it's on the relay. I said, the relay got to be bad. So I went to Summit yesterday because I had to take some stuff back again. And I bought some relays. And I ended up buying electric fans, which I showed y'all in the other video. Hooked the relay up. Still ain't got no electric fans. So it's a switch. It's a switch, man. It's a button in there. On top of the AC controls. It's a little green button in there, say AC. Man, I'm sitting there confused. I just sat in the truck like, man, I gotta get somebody to check this out. I don't have to run through the wire on it. But electric fan's simple. It can't be but so many things. So I'm puzzled at this point. So I sit down. I pressed that button. I said, I wonder what this do. The fans came back on. I said, man, come on, man. And look, let me tell you, I'm gonna tell y'all what's funny. It hit me. Man, when my little bro Steve was over here the other day, I think he pressed it. He said, man, AC button and everything. I think that was the exact word. I heard him, but I ain't think nothing about it, man. I was like, man, what are you talking about, AC button? And then it hit me. I said, I wonder what they do. And man, it turned the fans on and on. So that the fan switch. Man, I said, man, I thought I had a problem, boy. I already was, man, Dolo done acted a fool with the wheel stud and all that. And then I'm like, here we go with the electric fans. I just had to fight with the spark plug with Dolo. I'm like, man, come on, man. These cars, boy, they ain't playing today. They ain't playing fair, but it was something simple. So I put a new relay on it just because anyway. So, like I said, we got this. We got this right here we got to throw on there. Not that the fan that's on it don't perform, it perform, but it ain't gonna perform like this. I tell you that. It ain't gonna perform like this. So, I'm gonna get that on there. I already got a relay kit, or the Riley relay kit cost for some, well, I needed one, but they had put two on them that time I bought all this stuff for Big Meats. So I got an extra one. Cause I ain't need but one, but I got an extra one. I said I'm gonna keep it. Now I'm gonna use it. Come in handy. So all I gotta do is go buy me an alternator. And then we're gonna be good to go. Cause when you get this, you better get this. Right there. You better get that. Cause I'm telling you, these things here use some juice. So yeah, man. Then y'all see we got the rotor. We got the rotor for Dolo. I was gonna shoot double vlogs today for y'all and put this on. I'm gonna try to shoot a triple, but I don't think the weather gonna let me be great. So I'm not even about to begin to tear Dolo down. I'm not even about to do that, even though it don't take long. So y'all get that video, show y'all how to do that for the ones that don't know how to put a rotor on the box Chevy. Show you how to do it. Fairly simple. You need your two bearing, inner and outer bearing, your seal, rotor, and grease. You need some grease. So yeah, man. That's that, man. Had to get y'all started on the truck, man. Y'all got a ride reaction. Like I said, y'all got ride reaction, man. Wifey rode in the truck and all that. Oh boy, I'm turning dark, man. But I had to give y'all that story, man. I thought the fans, man. I said, man, I'm done. I'm done. That's really how I bought that fan too. I said, I'm gonna buy a fan just in case. I'm gonna buy a fan just in case the fan burn up. But it was in my plans to change it anyway. It's just that problem I thought I had made it happen faster. So yeah, man, y'all get to see that. That's gonna be simple. It's gonna be a simple install right there. Super simple. Cause the wires already ran, so that's a good thing. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Catch y'all later, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. BCG, we turned up this year, man. We out.